Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Google profile picture. What you need to do, just go to your Google account and here click on the camera and then click here, select a photo from your computer. Then just let me choose a photo. Okay, I choose this one. And then I can adjust the photo. Or I can here left or right. Yeah, just adjust the photo, and then after that just click here, set as a profile photo, but I will not click that because I don't want to change it. And keep in your mind that it will take up to 48 hours until it change in all your accounts, Gmail and your YouTube account. Okay, this is what I want to share with you, how to change Google profile picture. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. And if you have any question, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.